Welcome to Landria Onkka on YouTube, here to help you break through fears. Eliminate them. No, break through them. When they are not a problem anymore, they just float by like clouds. So you can go live that amazing life, and I'm going to give you the tools to manifest anything. Today I wanted to share an archived video that I had not released yet that is in alignment with what I teach you, and that is simple steps to manifest anything. So this video, which was shot over a year ago, is going to reinforce how you can shift your reality instantly. And like my 3-second manifesting, it's in alignment with constantly being aware of what we're feeling and thinking and refocusing our attention. That's a quantum physics technique, which says that which I focus on, I create. The wave, which is a probability, turns into a particle. And the more you focus on that wave, that probability, and believe and focus on that which you desire, the more it will come into your reality. But that's not how we usually think. We're all over the board. Yes, I can do this. No, I can't. Oh, I'm not worthy. And that is your exact message to the universe. So I want to share this instant, advanced reality shift video that allows you to not just shift over into a positive thought, but an expansive one. And then at the end of this video, you will see on your left-hand side a recommended video, which is my quantum manifesting meditation. It's an hour-long video, but it takes you out into the quantum field. It's going to test you because we find it difficult to just sit and focus on that which is peaceful and quiet, but I do walk you through it. It is from my e-course, Breakthrough Fear. It's an advanced meditation. So if you're interested at the end of the video, you can click on that. So here is my 2018 video on advanced reality shift in an instant. Enjoy. All right, we're going to do advanced reality shift today. I'm doing a lot of advanced stuff. Now, if you watch this video and it's just not clicking with you, then you're not ready for the advanced stuff because you're still not comprehending your power. And you are required in these advanced videos to absolutely embrace the fact that you are in control of your reality. If you don't believe that, continue to watch the 2,500 other videos I have. And when I tell you that all this stuff has to be cleared out, now you don't have to come into the advanced courses with this, woo, I'm, all awakened stuff. You just have to be really open and open-minded and your heart open to the fact that you do know that you are creating everything, that this is just a play of sorts, and that we are energy, never can be created nor destroyed, and that we are part of that, just keeps transforming and experiencing. And I'm going to start talking about some stuff that a couple of you might shut me down because you just can't handle it. And that's okay if you're not ready for it, but I'm telling you something right now. I have the feeling everybody's ready for this. I really do. I think even those of you who are going, okay, now we just went into a totally different zone, you're starting to go, wow, wait a minute, there's way too many people that are on board with this, and that, what's happening? The collective is sharing that. As soon as you start to open up, more and more people, you wouldn't believe people, they're talking to me that never in a million years would I imagine that they would be coming to me saying, I saw your YouTube channel, I'm like so ready for this. And they start to tell stories to me about things, past lives and aliens and, these experiences they're having. They're going, this is real stuff, isn't it? I'm going, yeah, guess what? There's a lot of people, they say the majority of people experiencing it. The majority, isn't that great? Not the majority is accepting it. They're writing it off as something else. Oh, it was a dream, or, oh, I must have imagined that, or what. Nope, it's all real, all of it. And what's happening is it's starting to appear more and more because as we become more intuitive and we realize there are no coincidences, there's no way some of these things that are happening are coincidences. Not possible. There are no coincidences. There's no chaos in the universe. So in this video, I want to talk about advanced reality shifts. All right, and I'm going to start doing this, as I shared with you in other videos. I'm going to start giving you more and more one-trick pony videos. In other words, I'm going to give you one thing to think of, because you're all going to have different things that trigger you. And you're all going to have different things that you think are a problem in life. Isn't that interesting? Isn't it interesting that we all have our own little thing that's an issue? How's that possible? Well, we've all experienced different things. Yeah, but how is it that somebody can experience the same thing and have a completely different attitude about life? Up here, happening up here. Hacker T-Dog, he's going to be coming out for 2019 and beyond. The ego thinks that we're a unique individual, and that's just not true. You're an individual expression, and you are unique. But you're not better or lower than anybody else, and we are all equal shared energy. We're going to talk more and more like that, because these lines of separation have got to come down, because that's what keeps us in war and thinking somebody else is wrong or they are not worthy and all this bull crap, because guess what? Next time you're going to be that person. Yeah, you're going to be that person. So you better get a grip on whatever you're thinking right now. We're going to shift that reality. Ready? All right. Instant reality shift. Whenever you have a thought of any kind that is remotely negative or extreme, this is how things are. I want you to ask yourself, what is an expansive thought that I could replace this with? Do you know you shift your reality with a thought? Now, what's going to happen when you do this is that you stop thinking about what you were thinking about, and you start to get creative. Creativity and imagination are critical keys. I actually use this in my e-courses. I take you to this imagination place. What happens is you're not thinking about anything negative or set in stone beliefs that are limiting you from creating the amazing world that you could. Because you're so set on believing things are a certain way. So when you switch over and you say, what expansive thought could I have? All right, so let's talk about each other. This is a big one. Let's talk about each other, okay? Let's say it's a religion, or or somebody from a certain country, or somebody from a certain culture, and you may have some ideas about that other culture or that other religion. What's an expansive thought? What's an expansive belief that I can switch over to? We're all equal. We're all just energy, all of us. There is no separation. It's going to make you feel differently. You're going to go, wow, okay, that's an expansive thought. Now, even if you don't really believe that and you're still hanging on that negative energy, it takes a while to clear that negative energy out, that confining energy. So we're going into expansiveness in 2019. I'm going to expand you. So if you see, I shared one of my meditations from my e-course that took me days to do this one meditation. It's an hour long. And it's the expansion, the quantum expansion meditation. Quantum. Look up quantum. Look at my meditations. Quantum expansion. It's 1 hour. It's advanced. I take you and we send our energy out into the quantum field. It pulls you away from this. This is how things are. This is who I am. Here's how the world is. It's made up crap. It's just made up. No, it isn't. So-and-so told me that. Well, they made it up, and then they made it up. You know why? Because somebody made it up somewhere to keep you in your place. Yeah. It was working for them to keep you thinking you're limited. Keep us at odds with each other. Yeah, let's get them all fighting. That's good. Keep conflict going. Tell everybody they're sick so that they can take our drugs. And then we have to take more drugs to counteract the drugs that destroyed all this stuff. And let's show them all this stuff. Let's brainwash everybody. And you're going along with it, right? Well, hopefully not anymore. What's an expansive thought I can have right now? Whenever anything shows up, all right, how about financial struggle? That's a big one. What's up with that? Do you know how much money people can make right now without working their butts off like they used to? I'm going to put my internet training up here. You might expand your capabilities. You might actually have to go to school and expand your mind and be with other expansive people. By the way, we have a very spiritually minded community. Maybe I need to tap into other things that will expose me to a different world of how I work, how I earn, how I live. And the expansive thought is, what if I had to work harder and learn something and challenge myself instead of sitting around complaining? That beautiful power that you wield. Everybody has it. No one has more than another. I don't have more power than you. So when you come to me, what's the expansive thought I can have? Wow. That whatever Landria has accomplished, I have the capabilities too. What can I replace this with that's an expansive thought? Because as soon as you go into that thought of expansion, you are now tapping into energy that is all probabilities. When you're over here, you see one probability and you're living it. You're living a limited reality. When you open up into the expansive potential, you shift into a reality. What could be the best possible, highest thing for me right here? What expansive thought could I have to replace this one? An expansive thought. You will shift immediately into a new reality. It has to be that way. It has to. You cannot remain in the old reality as soon as you put your attention over to a higher thought. As soon as you ask yourself about an expansive thought, the universe is now assisting you, because you are the universe, into a higher thought, because you're asking for it. You're asking for an expansive thought. So even if your gut feeling says, and they did this, and they did this, and my parents told me this, and you go over here, you are now shifting out of that negative energy and over here saying, what is it? And the universe opens up to give you those thoughts, because now your quantum focus turns that wave into a particle. And what's a particle? That's what starts to manifest in the material world. The situations, the feelings, the material things. So this is different from 3-second manifesting. It's the same laws of energy and quantum. But instead of focusing on that thing you want, we are now focusing on a possibility. What's an expansive thought that I can have? So if I think that person at work is a jerk, ooh, that's not a good thought. I'm creating and I'm fueling and I'm creating that reality. That's reality for me because I think that. What's an expansive thought to change that reality? Wow, that we are one, and that this person is experiencing some trials and tribulations. That's all it is. It's not me personally being attacked. This person is hurting and they're striking out at the world. That's all it is. It's not personal. You might actually heal by saying, wow, my expansive thought is, I'm taking this personally and it's not. We're all beautiful energies just here experiencing things. I don't have to love that person, but can I have compassion? Well, I want to change my life, how I earn. I'm sitting here, I'm not thinking any differently or acting any differently than the broke person that's been living years like this. What's an expansive thought? There's something else I can do. I'm going to go find it. I'm going to keep searching and I'm going to get off my duff and do something until I change my life. Because there is something for everyone and I'm one of those people. I'm everyone. So I deserve, just like everybody else, to be abundant. And I know this. So why am I thinking like that person? I'm not that person. I'm this expansive person now. I am now going into expansive reality. Whew. This feels much better. All right, so I got to pay my bills. Yeah, but you know, I am on a dense planet. It's going to take a little time for the new reality to catch up. But I have to stay in the new reality or else I'll just stay over here being broke all the time. Yeah, that'll motivate you, right? A new reality shift. Boom. What's an expansive thought? Just know that that thought shifted you into it. So I think you guys are making this way too complex. You are whole and perfect, strong, powerful, loving, harmonious, and happy. Blessings to you, my friend. Namaste.